We will now demo two scenarios in both SAP Integration Suite and SAP ITK Lite. In the Integration Suite, we will demo the export of purchase orders from Ariba to an SFTP folder. In the second scenario, using SAP ITK Lite, we will upload cost center elements from the SFTP folder to Ariba. Let's see the PO export using SAP Integration Suite. This is the main page of the SAP Integration Suite. Let me show the integration flows configured in this demo environment. We will navigate to Design, Integrations, and click on SAP Ariba Integration Toolkit. You see the integration flows available. SAP Services has offered an open-source community iFlow package as an accelerator for customers to implement ITK-like solution integrating with Ariba upstream and downstream functions. Now we will look into the setup of file load events in buying. You see the connection details between the SFTP and Ariba realm. Clicking on More, you see the Export Purchase Orders event configured to export the PO data from Ariba starting from January 2021. The job can be scheduled to export the PO on a regular basis. Let's go into the monitor to look at the job status. The job status shows as completed. In Ariba, we are able to check the PO export has been completed. Now, let's go to the SFTP folder to check if we have received the PO export file from Ariba. The file should be located in the download directory. Now let's extract and see the PO details. As you see, the POs have been successfully exported from Ariba. An email message is also generated to inform the status of the extract as shown here. We will now demo the master data upload to Ariba using SAP ITK Lite. This is the main page of the SAP ITK Lite for Procurement. You can access Ariba Buying, BTP Job Scheduler and Logging Dashboard. You are also able to see the transaction tracker below, which lists the recent transaction that were executed and its status. For any ad hoc run which are outside of the schedule job, you can run using the ad hoc transaction run. Let me show you the SFTP configuration, where we have configured the connection to our Ariba test realm. The SMTP configuration to send notification of completion or error messages by email. Now clicking on the import event configuration, you will see the events configured. We will be using the import batch data event with the SFTP directory specified to pull the data. In your existing SAP ITK setup, you are already generating the master data files from your ERP system. The same files will be sent to Ariba via SFTP using ITK Lite. For this demo, we will place the cost center CSV file in the IN directory in SFTP. Now going into the job scheduler, the ITK import job has been scheduled to run on a regular basis to import master data from the SFTP folder into Ariba. Schedules show the job schedule. For this demo, I will be activating the job to pick up the cost center file from the SFTP folder. Refreshing the IN directory shows the file has been picked up by the import batch job. Let's look in Ariba if the file was imported successfully. As you see, the cost center records were successfully imported in Ariba. The status of the job in the job scheduler shows as completed successfully. Both successful and failure loads are displayed in the schedule run logs message. Here is the snapshot of the email notification that is sent to the user on the status of the batch run.